Find the range of the following functions. F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R, x greater than 0. Second bit, f of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. Third bit, f of x is equal to x is a real number. F of x is equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to R, x greater than 0. Solution we can do. X given, what is the condition given? X is always greater than 0. So we can write multiply both sides by 3. So we have to multiply both sides by 3. So 3x is greater than 0 into 3 we can write. So 3 into x, we get 3 into x greater than 0 into 3. So we can write 3x is greater than 0. So see, for example, so then multiply, because here it is minus 3x. So we have to multiply both sides by minus 1 into 3x is greater than, minus, you have to multiply, so inequality changes, is less than 0. So 0 into minus 1. So 0 only. So minus 3x is less than 0. So we can write minus 3 is less than 0. For example, minus 8 is greater than 5. So minus 8 is less than 5. Like this, if you multiply both sides by minus 1, we get, which implies that is minus 1 into 3x. Here we are multiplying with minus 1. Same we have to multiply here also, minus 1. So the inequality here, what is the inequality here? It is a greater sign. So now its sign will change. If you are multiplying both sides by minus 1, the inequality changes. So we get a minus 3, 3x is less than 0 we get. Okay, clear? Is it clear? If we multiply both sides by minus 1, the inequality changes to minus 3x less than 0 we get. Isn't it? So next, adding both sides by by 2, we get, so we get if you add 2 minus 3x, we get, here what will you get? 0 plus 2. So we get 2 minus 3x less than 2 we get. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay, then what is 2 minus 3x? From the question we get 2 minus 3x is f of x. Okay, 2 minus 3x we can write f of x, which is less than 2. So we can write range is equal to, how can we write range is equal to, how can we write? All real numbers in between, real numbers belongs to minus infinity to 2. Belongs to minus infinity to open bracket minus infinity to 2 we can write. Or so how will you draw in number line? How can we draw in number line? So like this we can draw. How can we draw in number line? So we can draw 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. to infinity. So this is minus infinity to infinity. This is plus to infinity. So we can take, this is open bracket. This is open bracket from 2 to infinity we can take from 2 to infinity. This means we are not taking 2 but all the values in between minus infinity to infinity. We are taking all the values in between the minus infinity to 2 we are taking. R belongs to minus infinity to 2. So 2 is open bracket because 2 we are not taking. So all the values less than 2 up to infinity we are taking. Is it clear for you? Second bit, f of x is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. So we can take x square is always greater than 0 because if you put any values, real number, any real number here we get a positive value only. Okay, so we can, so that is why the condition we can take is x square is always greater than or equal to 0 we can take. Okay, so if I put a 0 here, so what is the value I got? 2. So if I put a minus 1 we get 3. Then minus 2 I put, then I got f of x 6. Minus 2 square 4 plus 2 6. Minus 3 I put 9 plus 2 11 we get. So next step, adding 2 on both sides. 2 on both sides. So we get x square plus 2. What is the sign here? Greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. Okay, both sides we are adding 2 on both sides. So we get like this. So x square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So what is x square plus 2? We get f of x. We can write f of x is greater than or equal to 2. So how can we draw this on a number line? So this is minus infinity, this is to infinity. So we can take, we can write the number line 0. This is minus 1, minus 2. We can write here 1, 2, 3, etc. This going on. So it is closed interval. This is closed interval 2 to infinity. Okay, we can take like that. So range is equal to real numbers belongs to the closed interval 2 to open interval infinity. Open interval. This is open interval infinity. This is closed interval 2 to infinity. So real numbers we can take all the real numbers in the closed interval 2 to open interval infinity. Is it clear for you? Any doubt? So this is the number line. See, third bit f of x is equal to x is a real number. So we can take x any values. Real number. You know, real number definition is what? It's a combination of rational number and irrational number. So x can take any values. Minus we can take 0, we can take any values we can take. 0 we can take. So whatever be the values we are given, x same also we get for f of x also same. See, minus 2 I put, then f of x same, minus 2 get. 0 put, 0 will get. 1 put, 1 will get. 2 put, 2 will get. 3 put, 3 will get. Okay. So we get all the numbers like this we get. So y is equal to f of x is equal to x. So range is equal to, what is domain here? Domain is equal to real number. Range is also real number, because range is also real number, because x, f of x is equal to x. So how can we draw this in number line? We can take all the real numbers. Range is equal to all the real numbers. Domain is also all the real numbers. So this is an identity, which is an identity function. Identity function. Thanks for watching.